And guess who's back after disappearing for the billionth time? Hi guys, it's Cynthia and welcome back to my channel. I'm sorry for being a trash YouTuber, but hopefully I should be able to start filming once again. Today I have for you guys a little life update, chit chat, get ready with me type of thing. We're just gonna go right into the video. You guys are probably wondering where I have been for the past, I think, 5 months that I haven't filmed. I recently moved to New York, and that is because I got married. And yeah, it's been pretty fun, and honestly, I love it way more than Arizona. There was literally nothing to do in Arizona ever, and then I have so much family here in New York. I'll probably insert some pictures of our wedding. I got to marry my best friend, and right now please ignore these tan lines. We've been going to the beach pretty often. I got a little tan. All of my foundations are way too light for me now. I usually don't go outside in Arizona. I never knew what a tan was before. You guys, my skin has been looking so good these past couple of days, and I feel like it's too good to be true, and I feel like a breakout is gonna happen literally tomorrow or something. Let me know if you guys want an updated skincare routine, because I did change a couple of products in my routine, so let me know about that. So I had gone on my Instagram and asked you guys to ask me questions for the video. The first question was, did you ever think you would be in the same spot you were 1 year ago? And the answer is no. I had absolutely no idea that I would be here in New York married. To be completely honest with you guys, I didn't think I would be here married right now. Thought for sure I'd be here in New York, but married, yeah, I had no idea. With the long distance relationship, yeah, of course I knew I'd be here in New York eventually, and I knew I wanted to come here after I graduated and got my bachelor's. But I don't know, it's kind of crazy to think that a year ago I was in Arizona still studying, and I feel that God had blessed me to be here in this situation. And the next question she asked is, what is one big relationship advice? And my advice would be to not really overthink things. I know that was a struggle, especially for me and my husband, since we were long distance. I lived in Arizona and he lived here in New York, and it was just a struggle to not overthink. And I think that trust has to play a role in it, because if you can't trust your partner, then why be with them? You both have to really communicate with each other everything that you're thinking about. I'm gonna be answering some get to know me questions, so you guys get to know a little bit more about the real me. I look pale as hell. What's your favorite drink? Honestly, my go-to drink everywhere is strawberry lemonade, but if they don't have that, I usually go for tea. Another question, are you usually early or late? This is a funny thing. I just remembered school, and I would always be texting my boyfriend that I was going to be late to class. I'd always end up leaving my house late. I'd always end up getting to class on time, like literally on the dot. I'm usually late to leave the house, but on time to get to the place. What takes up too much of your time? My eyebrows. My eyebrows take up way too much of my time. For my wedding day, I think I spent about 2 hours trying to get my brows to look the same. So the next question says, what shows are you into? I don't know, like different types of shows. I know I really love The Office. The Office is one of my favorite shows of all time. Criminal Minds, and me and my husband just finished watching Orange is the New Black, which this season kind of sucked, honestly. I have no idea where this look is going. What was your first job? That's the next question. My first job was Walmart, and I absolutely hated that job. The workers there, like the managers and stuff, were all cranky. I quit literally after I think 2 weeks. I just went through training and then they put me on the floor, and then I quit because They were trying to have me in the back, unloading boxes, and I wasn't trying to break my back over that. I hope the audio on this doesn't suck because I don't have a mic. I'm gonna go ahead and put on my lashes off camera and I'll be right back. You guys, Kiss is really stepping up with their lashes like these. And if you guys are wondering, these are the Kiss lashes in corset. So the next question is, what was the last movie you went to and what did you think? We went to go watch the first Purge. I thought it was really intense. Like, I always like all of the Purge movies. So this one kind of made me mad just because of that one guy. I don't want to spoil the movie for anybody. If you watch the movie, you know what guy. That's the guy that made me angry. Let me know if you've watched it and you also think the same. I am so pale right now. Do you like or dislike surprises? I really like surprises, but I hate when I know about a surprise. Like, let's say if someone has a surprise for me and they tell me they have a surprise for me, but they won't tell me what the surprise is. Yeah, no, I don't like that. That is just torture to me. But if I don't know about the surprise whatsoever, and, you know, they just like surprise me with like a surprise birthday party or something, sure, I would love that. What are your hobbies? I really like doing makeup, obviously. I also really like singing. I'm not the best at singing, but I don't think I'm the worst. And I used to really like drawing. I haven't drawn in a bit. I actually have drawing that I made for my husband about a year ago. This was for our 1-year anniversary that I made it. If money was no object, what would you do all day? Honestly, if money was an object, I would be traveling 24/7. Isn't it the worst when your makeup comes out the best when you have absolutely nowhere to go? Like, really? Really, makeup? The next question is, if you had a warning label, what would yours say? Mine would say, warning, do not interact if she's had less than at least 20 hours of sleep. I'm just kidding. But seriously, I sleep a lot. You guys, this glow is absolutely my favorite. This is the Anastasia Amrezy one. And just look at the glow. It never disappoints. We're just gonna take a moment of silence for all of this glow. The next question, are you an introvert or an extrovert? I don't know, I think I would consider myself more of an introvert. I don't know, I just really like being alone more often than not. I mean, growing up an only child, I was pretty much alone all the time, so I just gotten used to being alone. And sometimes I just prefer to stay in and do absolutely nothing by myself. And I'm honestly a pretty shy person. For example, in college, I didn't really talk to anyone. If someone talked to me, of course I talked back, but I wouldn't be the first to approach anyone. I don't know, I have a little bit of social anxiety, so that just scares me, like going up to people and talking to them first. So that is the end of the video. I hope you guys got to learn a little bit more about me. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up as well as subscribe down below. I will wait. Did you subscribe yet? I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, loves.